In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a secret website that will pay you about $4 every single day selling AI prompts. Now let me show you this. Now this is somebody that is selling ChatGPT prompts, Google Search Strategy 6.99, LinkedIn Business Prompt 2.99, 2.99 for post ideas, profitable social media influencer 3.99, 7.99. So you can set up an account right here and set up your own ChatGPT prompt for sale, right? And it is not just ChatGPT prompts. You can also sell Midjourney prompts, DeepE prompts, Stable Diffusion prompts, and GPT prompts, which is ChatGPT basically. Now, there's something that I've done for you. I have prepared an ebook that has up to 400 ChatGPT prompts that you can actually begin to sell in different categories on this particular website. So I'm going to be giving that to you at the end of this video. So it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to end of this video, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to show you how to set up an account on this particular website. And number two, I'm going to be revealing this website at the end of this video because I want only people who are interested in actually making money online using this method to be the people that will get on this website, because this is still a secret website that a lot of persons don't know about. So if you're interested in making money every single day selling GPT prompts, it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to the end of this video, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned, like I said earlier. Now, here's what I need you to do for me right now. I want you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So that's it, guys. Let's go to my laptop screen, guys, and let me show you guys exactly how to sell ChatGPT prompts and make money using this secret website right now. So if you come to this website, you're going to be seeing the fact that you can sell Midjourney, ChatGPT, Dale, Stable Diffusion, and more prompt marketplace. A marketplace for basically AI prompts, right? And there are over 100,000 plus. And this website is still a secret because a lot of persons do not. As a matter of fact, this is the only video on YouTube about this particular website right now. So I'm going to come here right now. You can click on find a prompt. You can click on sell a prompt. So if you click on find a prompt, you're going to be seeing a whole lot of prompts that people are actually selling. And you see this one, Midjourney prompt, 3.99, 3.99, 3.99. You should keep going and going all down, 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 down. You can see ChatGPT prompts right here. Fitness nutrition advisor, a dynamic LinkedIn bio builder, how to build your LinkedIn profile, right, with ChatGPT. This prompt is going to help you do it. And the interesting thing about this thing is that you can sell this over and over and over and over again. So I told you guys that I prepared an ebook. This is a ebook right here. 350 plus advanced ChatGPT prompts that will help you make money online with AI, right? And these are all the prompts, different categories, and everything about this particular prompt right now. So it goes on and on and on. There's close to like 400 prompts right here. So you can decide the category that you want to actually start selling on this particular website, as I'm going to be telling you exactly how to get this ebook as we proceed in today's video. So it's important for you to stay with me. Now let's come back to this website right now. Go back all the way to the top and go back to the home page, right? And we want to sell our own prompt right now. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on sell a prompt, right? So I click on sell a prompt and this is going to show up right now. So what I'm going to do is to come here and click on sell a prompt, right? If I click on this link, it is going to open this interface right now. And what we need to do right now is to set up an account, basically. So I'm going to come here and put in my email address. So I'm going to put my password right here. Then I'm going to come here and click on I'm not a robot. Select bicycles. This is just the Google Captcha verification. I'm going to select all of this and hit verify. Okay, so I'm going to click register to set up an account on this particular website. So a code has been sent to my email. So I'm going to get that code right here, put it right here and click on verify. So this is the code right here. So I'm going to copy this code, Control C, come back right here and drop the code in here, Control V this and click on verify, right? Okay, beautiful. So it says prompt details. So this is where we'll tell this website about the prompt that we want to sell. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to come to this right here where it says select a prompt type. So I'm going to come here and say GPT, which is ChatGPT basically. I'm going to select GPT. I'm going to select GPT. Then I'm going to come here. The name, this is where we put a title for this prompt. So let me go to my ebook right here. So I'm going to set up a website copy prompt. Right, website copy. I'm going to copy this website copy prompt, come to this, our secret website, click here and drop it right here. So title, website copy prompts, basically, right? You can actually make your own more catchy. So description, how do we describe this? I'm going to come here, come back to our ebook. So I'm using this right now. I have written a description for this prompt. This prompt helps you generate hero text examples. Write a short paragraph for any product, service, or topic. Write a subheader. Write a short paragraph, listicle, a meta description, FAQs, and summarize what people will see on the next page for any website. for any website, right? So I'm going to copy all of this right now, Control C, come to this secret website and drop it in right here, right? So this is what this prompt does basically, right? So how much do you want to sell this from? Let's say you want to sell this prompt for $2.99. That's what I want to sell. That's the least you can actually sell. I want to sell this for $2.99. I'm going to click on next. So it says, what type of GPT prompt is this? So I'm going to click here and select ChatGPT, right? Copy and paste your prompt below. Now, this is where you copy and paste your prompt below. Now, let's go back to our ebook that I'm going to be introduced to you guys. So this is the ebook right here. I'm going to copy this prompt, copy this, right? Come back right here, click here and drop it in. So this is our prompt right here. This is what it looks like. Right, and I need to separate this, right? Okay, this is it, right? So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prompts, basically. Right, and this and this and this and that. So this is testing the prompt, valid test. Okay, valid test prompt, right? So I'm going to come here, click here, and say ChatGPT 3.5, which is what I've tested this prompt with. Okay, so this is basically when you test out the prompt, right? You know, to verify what it does, so that somebody that wants to buy it knows exactly how this prompt works. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take part of this prompt. So I'm going to come here. Let's say generate 10 questions people may have about, okay. So I'm going to copy this, come to ChatGPT, drop this in here. So generate 10 questions people may have about early pills, weight loss, supplement, right? I'm going to join this here and hit enter. So he says, how does this work, and this and this and that and everything. So this is it. So I'm going to come here, copy this. This is the prompt. So I'm going to take this now and put it into this space, right? Put it into this space. Now I'm going to come here and take the result, which is this. I'm going to click on copy here. I'm going to come here and drop this in here, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to prompt instructions, any extra tips or examples or bias on how to use the prompt. If you have any extra tips, you can put it right here, but I don't have any extra tips right here. So ChatGPT share link. So let's go to ChatGPT, and this is the link right here. So once you click on this, right, you're going to click on copy. So come back to this website, click in here and drop this link right here. So once you come here, what you need to do is to click on next, right? So we'll have our ChatGPT share link. We'll have our prompt instruction, FAQs, you know, preview output and all of this, right? So I'm going to come here and hit next. Okay, so I hit next. Now, this is what it's telling me. It says I should connect to bank. Connect your bank account with Stripe to start receiving payment for every sale of your prompt. Country of residence, this, right? We know this for sending your payout. So for those of you who Stripe doesn't work in your country, I've actually made a video showing you guys exactly how to set up a Stripe account. And this video show it up right here, right now. It's going to show you exactly how to do that. But if Stripe actually works in your country, just go ahead and set up a Stripe account normally and actually use your Stripe account to do this. Or whatever Stripe account that you are setting up, it's important that you use the same email that you have on this particular secret website. Make sure it's the same email that you have on Stripe, right? So that the connection is going to be easy. If you use different emails, it is not going to work, right? So let's say, for instance, this is my country. I'm going to come here and click on Connect Bank. So it's going to take me straight to Stripe. And all you need to do is to log into your Stripe account with your Stripe username and password, which I've already set up to actually connect this, right? So that every sale that you make gets paid into your Stripe account. Now, let me show you guys some interesting things. So it says we are reviewing your prompt. You will receive an email once this is done, right? So I can click on finish to actually complete this, right? So I want to show you guys some interesting things. So this is the prompt that I've set up right here, right now. So Connect Bank, that's what you need to do. So this prompt is actually being reviewed by this particular platform. So this is what you need to do right now. If you come to dashboard right here, you see that we just set up this account. There are no sales right here. Any sale that you make is going to show up right here. So you see the prompts that you have created, your own prompt that you own. You see them right here. Sales, you see all the sales right here. Packs, payouts, all your payouts, you're going to see them right here. Favorites, settings, and all of this, right? And the minimum payout is $30. This is it right here, threshold is $30. So once you earn $30, you can actually get paid, and you get paid every single month. So you can actually view your public profile right here, and all of this, right? So this is how easy it is to actually make money with these AI prompts. Now, before I show you this website, I mentioned the fact that I actually wrote this ebook, 350 advanced ChatGPT prompts that are actually going to help you use ChatGPT to be fullest, So to get this, all you need to do is to click on the first link in this video description. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Market 22, which is where you're going to be buying this particular ebook. So once you pay, it's about $1. So once you make payment, right, you'll be directed to where you can download this ebook automatically. I can make payments with your bank card, with transfers, with all the options are right there. So as a matter of fact, I'm going to be making a separate video on how to actually make payments with Market 22. So you guys will understand exactly how it works. But it's actually very simple. A lot of you guys have actually bought my blogging course from that particular platform. Now, what is this secret website that we just talked about? It's a website called promptbase.com, right? Promptbase.com. And the link is right there in the video description, just below this video. So click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. And go ahead and set up your account. Go ahead and buy this ebook. Now, sell one of those prompts on this particular website and you are good, right? So I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for watching the video from beginning to the very end, right? And the issue you might have is actually with creating a Stripe account, especially if you live in a country where Stripe doesn't work. And this video showing up right here will show you guys exactly how to do that. So until I see you in my next video, guys, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.